Alright, FEC's number 202 here at Holly Street, along with Mr. Griffinworth. Alright, these signals will activate. He's crossing the Rosen Trestle, you can hear it!
He is bucking.
Bucking it! And he makes it. Makes it. Just makes it. Love that bell though. Champion, check him out. Colorful power though. Watch that signal drop. Bow. There it goes. And it drops. This train's looking good too. Picked up in Fort Pierce. Got all the Walmart. Save money, live better. Look at all that aggregate rock. Or it's just aggregate. So cool seeing it come around the corner. We got an empty chassis. Jeez, this train is ridiculously long. Ah, there goes the end. 744, we got the EOT. And he crosses Miko, south. Look at that train. And he just crossed the switch. It's BBT 609 here at Holly Street, here in Miko, along with Mr. Griffinworth on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 202. Look, listen, and live. Out.